Welcome to my get ready with me from bed to glam.
What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited. We have a get ready with me from bed to glam. I thought of this idea like 2 weeks ago just because I was like, I should show them how the full process is. You know, me literally waking up out of bed, going to the bathroom, skincare, hair, the whole Shazam. I actually used the new, let me pull it out of my drawer, the new Makeup by Mario palette. This palette is everything. So before we jump into the video, I want to give a quick shout out to High Mirror. They are sponsoring today's video. This is the High Mirror slide. It is literally one of the most innovative things ever. It has amplified my beauty routine, and it's not just a regular mirror that lights up your face, okay? Okay, hands down, my favorite feature with this mirror is the YouTube and HiTube features. So you can actually watch YouTube tutorials and follow along while you're doing your makeup with the mirror, or even if you just want to watch YouTube videos. And of course, you could put the video in landscape mode as well. Another cool feature is if you don't want to watch the video, you just want to hear the audio. There you go. You can close the mirror and it'll still play in the background, or you can completely minimize it and it'll go right there and you can use the other features. Another favorite feature of mine is the skin analyzer. I actually took a photo this morning so I could show you guys a fresh photo. What's great about this is you can analyze your skin. You can see if your skincare products is actually working. This has really helped me personally because I am always tracking my blackheads, my pores, and making sure that the products I'm using is working. I'm actually gonna show you your percentage so I can be able to tell if my products are working if in a month from now I take a picture and my score goes up. So I just think that's absolutely amazing. You can go ahead and actually click the face and it will show you where you have those specific problem areas. You can also adjust the brightness on the mirror. You can adjust the warmth. So I just turned off the light because it'll be easier on camera for you guys to see. So on the beauty box feature, you can actually add in your favorite skincare and beauty products. So it gives you allergen information, it gives you feature information on the actual product, and it also tells you all of the ingredients. It'll tell you exactly what this product is good for, what the expiration date is. It is super easy to add a product. All you need to do is put the barcode really close to the screen. It'll analyze the barcode and bam, it'll add it in. It'll also give you suggestions on products that you may like just based on what it knows about you and based on the products you have in your beauty box. You can connect it to Amazon Alexa, and you can also social media and music stream. This High Mirror slide retails for $199. You can purchase it on highmirror.com or amazon.com. I have a coupon code for you guys. It is $10 off if you use the coupon code HIAMY. I'm gonna leave my link in the description box down below. So yeah, if you want to check out how I got ready from bed to glam, then keep watching.
Welcome to my get ready with me from bed to glam. Okay, so I just wet my face. This is the cleanser I've been using. I really like it, but it reminds me a lot of the CeraVe one from the drugstore. Like I think it's literally like a dupe for it. I cleanse my face for 60 seconds. I'm gonna start off with the Drunk Elephant Vitamin C Serum. I always do 1 pump on the face, and then like half to 1 pump on the neck and chest. That's one of the reasons why I love wearing robes when I do my skincare. Taking this eye cream. A little goes a long way with this, so I literally just use half a pump. I'm going to use the Pharmacy Honey Halo. And I'm running low on this, but for the chest, I will put my Palmer's Stretch Mark Lotion because it has collagen, elastin, and argan oil in it. I just really love this lotion. And I will put this all over the chest. Deodorant, this is my favorite one. And I've been obsessed with this Summer Fridays lip butter balm. So good. Brush out my brows. Voila, I'm done. Well, with the face. So for the hair, I can't decide what hair I want to do. I actually have a few different hairstyles that have really been inspiring me lately. Look at this white hair right here. I'm cutting that. So I'm just gonna take out 2 front pieces. So I'm just gonna do a messy pony, and then I'm literally just gonna take it, pretend like I'm putting my hair in a ponytail, but instead I'm just like putting it in this random bun. And voila. I'm not gonna obviously make this all sleek, but let's just get those little baby hairs right on the side here going up. So I'm actually gonna cut, obviously this is just a bit too long. Okay, so my camera just died and it's probably gonna die again in like 1 second. So quickly, all I did was literally like rough this area up and just like get some of those messy hairs out so it doesn't look too neat. And then I took the straightener and just went like this, and that's it. Played around with it and we're good to go. Quick little sassy messy bun. Okay, so now it's time for the makeup. I'm probably gonna kick it old school and do the Smashbox primer. I think I'm gonna put my hair, let's put these back, shall we? So I'm gonna use the Smashbox primerizer. So I think I'm gonna use the Lancome Tan Idol Ultra Wear Foundation, and this one is in the shade 410 W, but I don't think it's gonna match me right now because I'm not wearing my usual tan. So I'm just really not feeling this shade match. I feel like it's too yellow, so I'm just gonna go in with my Anastasia 270C. Just kind of go over it quickly a little. I feel like that is so much better. This is one of my favorite shade matches ever. So for concealer, I'm actually gonna go super bright today, but I absolutely love this concealer from e.l.f. This is their Camouflage Concealer in the shade Light Beige. It is super light on me. But I feel like once you blend it out, it looks so good. So brightening. So it really helps to shape your face. And of course, I'm gonna use my KKW brightening powder in the shade 3. I love this brightening powder, it's so good. So of course we know my Holy Grail contour. When I don't even have to say the name of it, like that's how you know it's Holy Grail. I'm gonna take the Hoola bronzer. This has been my go-to for the past few months. Now I'm gonna contour my nose. I love Hoola for contouring my nose. It's just perfect. Taking the side with leftover foundation, I'm just gonna do a quick little run through of everything. Now I really wanna use an orangey kind of blush. So I'm gonna do this peachy one right here from Benefit. And I just decided last minute I want to add like a little bit more bronzer. So I'm going to go for this nice warm one. This is the Luminous Bronze Light from Hourglass. And I'm just going to do a quick little... just to do a quick little bronzy. So for my brows today, I'm actually gonna do a combo. Lately I've been doing super natural, kind of like microbladed brows, but I'm actually gonna combine my new method and my older method of doing like a little bit more of a refined, fuller brow. So I'm gonna kind of combine the two methods and meet them in the middle. So you see how that's just like fuller than what I've been doing. Then I'm gonna add the ABH Dip Brow Gel. And then I'm gonna take the ABH Brow Gel and really just lift all my brow hairs up. I bought the new Makeup by Mario palette from Sephora. This is the Master Mattes. This eyeshadow palette is pretty close to perfect. Like, How amazing is that right there? So I am gonna start out with this shade right here just to keep a very light transition to get things started. Next, I am gonna go in with this beautiful caramel kind of shade right here. It's just a teeny bit deeper than the transition I was just using, so it's just gonna help me transition into the deeper brown that I'm gonna put all over the lid. I'm kind of creating this V as well, this V cornered shape. So now I'm gonna go in and put this gorgeous brown all over the lid. This brown is actually everything. So I'm actually going to put this all over the lid. I haven't done like an all over smoky eye in so long. So yeah, I like how these are just slightly more sheer. It gives you a more natural look too, which I feel like everyone is going for a more natural look these days. And there's like no fallout as well. Look at how pretty that smoky eye is. I love it. Take that same brown that I put all over the lid and I'm just gonna connect that like triangle corner that I made and just bring it underneath the eye. I'm not gonna put too much under the eye because I still want this look to be a little bit like more soft glam and just a little bit more refined. I don't want to do like too thick of a smoky under eye. So I think just to add a little bit of dimension, just a little something something, I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is just a little bit more warm, but I'm literally just doing a tiny bit because I actually really like how this looks. Yeah, I'm just adding a little bit of interest. A little bit of something. So I'm actually gonna go into the Natasha Denona palette, which is a new one that I've got. I think I used this in my last video. And I'm gonna take this shade called Inner Corner. Look how beautiful this shade is. So pretty. So I'm gonna actually put that in the inner corner and just pack that on. But I am gonna take a little bit of that, mixed with a little bit of this shade called Center Eyelid. It's like a little bit more golden. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and I'm just gonna highlight under that brow bone, which I have not highlighted under my brow bone in forever. Look at that. So now I'm actually gonna add a little bit of a wing, but I'm gonna do this dark brown wing. So it's kind of gonna be like a brown on brown vibe. Now I'm gonna apply in the waterline the Makeup Geek Full Spectrum liner in the shade Espresso. And I'm just going to smudge it out. For mascara, I'm using my favorite, the Maybelline Lash Sensational, but I'm using it in brown black. And for lashes, I want to keep it super like natural looking, which my favorite ones are the Kiss number 11. I'm going to use MAC Cork as a lip liner. Take my finger, just kind of go over it. So I'm going to take just a little bit of Dose of Color Sand. A little bit. And I really want to try these new Maybelline lip glosses. Like, how gorgeous do they look? I just feel like my lips are a little bit too light, so I'm just gonna go in with the Nude Kate. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try this shade first, and I didn't even realize, but these are called lifter glosses, so I really hope they don't make your lips too tingly. But this is in the shade Ice, and it's just like a really pale pink. I'm probably gonna mix this shade and amber. Oh my god, perfection. This shade is everything. It has like a slight pinky tint. I think I'm just gonna add a tinge of amber. So that is pretty much it, you guys. I am in love with this look. Like, I'm feeling like a glam girl right now. I'm gonna use a little bit of this Soft Focus from Hourglass. I feel like that Soft Focus spray is actually a little bit slightly more dewy than I've always expected. I am gonna lightly powder a little bit just to finish off with the Charlotte Tilbury. All right, that completes the makeup look, you guys. I'm completely obsessed, like hands down. That Makeup by Mario palette is my new favorite palette. I absolutely love the shades. Also obsessed with these Maybelline lip glosses. Like what? They don't make your lips feel tingly at all. I'm not sure why they're called lifter gloss. I really didn't look into it that much, so maybe you guys can let me know in the description, in the comment section. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this entire look. I love it so much. I feel like I did more of a glam brow, more eyeshadow than I've been doing in a while, and yeah. Oh, and I forgot to mention for the lashes, I did cut a chunk off of the end, and I only applied the lashes starting from here to here to make it like extra lightweight and natural looking. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this full get ready with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.